Ma Oyakwaba Ever series, hot news, all time, latest and hot news. And I'm the Bramo Almighty Kinigura, you believe it is what it is. Now, so Wakasa Aya Bantia, or day a Dutch for one passport, a gram out for what you say a passport in home for so say a PhD, Kinigura can send you to the home. Now, send you go around so when you subscribe, yeah, necessary over subscribe. Now I like it now. Watch a video na ama ofo so na wahwe. Afi yembura eye insem. Eye Twene Jonas, almighty Twene Jonas, glass and kwa biginisu yelipo. Ama ofo keka o chese ama ofo keka so no ni nibre eye sa branch eye Mr Happiness. I is after the Kofi Gabs. What the ensem to dia o chese PhD. Eye Holland passport chese ho fa so kwasen eye PhD holders. No ma Ghana for chese wa top pressure ma Ghana for ma. And someone to say one opinion as ready abasa. Then let Twene Jonas a more focus on the Libya branch was me. Any Robiao, any Twene Jonas are to be the Amawana Casas and any Sahab branch Mr Happiness or the ensemble Dora and not to get a fan of home. Yes, Samuel. Yamopini, a Twene Jonas, and some year. You need to report in some what the intention.
And I'm more my Jimina. Oh, Twene Jonas and Nibre. Kwasiapayin na o Europe na o si o passport no ehun ya che PhD Twene Jonas ani bremuntie miye me mani mere obi a o wiase o eye jimi ni majimi de maduro no obi mom na ese na ni breme wadi ase ya me hia passport na Twene Jonas nso kire o passport de odwan me hia se me hia passport mfantu kwan o level a me wo no abrofo no ye me nkura ono de ese broni nu akonya no ene ne twempena na broni na ma wanya passport na ho 10 fa media abrofo no ti se nkwasiafo bi ti Ghana om na de me ba Twene Jonas om na de me ba bruchiri bibini nya papa nche broni ene ye papa che me kwasi broni na de me ni sika de me ba betena America enti bibini je ho credit ya ma talk nya sa nko de ma betena social media sa me de ne ka because broni bibini mfa nipa ma bruchiri abra onyi ni sika enye free bibini ni nua no ne papa no ne ba no odo ba bruchira opese utua kakrama no se Akwasiapayin ni se bibini no ware na nkasa amiri watua $40,000 continue tua €40,000 no ana €30,000 no kura wie na campus wa benya passport no ko bibini emfa se ne yere no ni kunu be ma no kura de me man de ano mo ye kakra bibini oba de we wicked. No matter what, when Tiesika on your mount, Utiakra, or so on your baby creating come to me, friend, or much angratan. And Tinyaman, I and I don't know, catch say, I buy some the school bus, woman, Tamubisi. I did this one, man, isn't this beautiful? Ahana way, Bolaka, buying Babefa, Bola and Isuano, Bola or much Diaguano. So me yet that you will feel in no Mabishi, buying Babe sending in it's a form of job creation. Buying as I create Yama before ni be almost and see about mostly abroad from Spanish, be clean her neat because a buildings in half for New York State, a city known as CC Dino, and you are buying a CC no Diama, and here for no money by Bitano. Until a programming over Betrodi, Navi, Oma Otrodi now qualifier. Omo check you sika unya bosome no mo hwe na o make more money a mo mfa ma o de man hia fo nko a enti se Ghana ye jimia affordable house we hu se obekọ na sika fo nko a ene ye de amom ye jimia se boa Sagreme housing project Akufo-Addo ba kwasia wose mampanyina wa wia o man sika nyina gu o so wajimi wani bre o se be fa Sagreme housing project anya ne nam ka se o mu wia Sagreme housing project amebo pa me akobo Akufo-Addo ba ya na omdom Jimmy ajamani gu anka samrin koma wia no so koma wia bi ya bibini di ya boa wote parliament wia sika free Ghana ni a ono no to a ne ho kire no no kakra ye Mahama mo amusi NDC fo Jimmy obat mo de mo Jimmy chen mo times 2 million o mo aye bi kakra no mo sen ba be wia na we de nkama mo obi ankoku Akufo-Addo bakura na nkam emfasoni sa akwa bi a ne hwene se ta ne hwene akrobeto hwene kura sha your friend in Napo Kwasiapayin ni ufin no so di dum so ma stop no bi oni eslo so muwa no sa aboa no na Akufo-Addo akwa ne energy minister se adum so ifon aboa sa no di Mahama atem nkraman ma we so enti with that being said, let's get into it. Now me catch us every 1 minute be aban ba senso na ni namu no etwen abibifo no ko fie bibia system ne ye adwuma 24/7 enti me the almighty Twene Jonas mani mmere obia me hia obia hwe me metwi Rolls Royce Lamborghini Ferrari cars a metwi abrofo kurant me ntwi ti obi ono ti Europe a ono ope Europe passport nyina America no de ba behwe o magimi ese moa no o de be pa America na hwe me the almighty Twene Jonas me de me kanokre passport me ni bi but me ni bi me nkrata but America man panyini kura suro me nti se me hia se me ko Germany me ko Europe a eno an se me the protocol etna private jet mako because I am a super natural being me hia se me ko akowari obi me ba bluchire me nware me ne yire wadi ase en makonya nkrata wadi ase enti me ne hwe but me kan okra kire wo se upon se me ne hwe no akwa ne nyame aye I'm a multi-millionaire. I own a lot of businesses, companies. Tiri amecho no abrofono onwenya baako bibi ase nyina ne den sa abrofono be som me they come to work for me. Enti me hia se me tu kwan akọ baabi I don't need no visa. I don't need me to private jet na me go straight forward. Da me ko Africa no me twa kire mo no man ko je visa o eno an say me to jet na go free eno an say me free airline company for na aviation for no see e ba eno an say ya launch private jet enti we hia ni a na we hia passport sem ni ade because me yes kani baabi a me fire different from baabi a hia ni fa ofui tiri amecho ni yo enti I don't need no passport me hia country bi am passport me hia country bi am visa I just want to go somewhere and I want to go as long as I want to go I just want to go. Do you understand what I'm saying? Enti me baby I me fire different from baby or momo fa. Me ba America me nim kwa fa so ye kwaje visa me hu ya nze abrofo na frem se bra. Eno an se me koduru me kwa obi a boga bi am ka chenze me kwa America bi ase o masa on be chi wo airport ye san I was here call interview na fe ye bisa questions na fe o visa no ho anwan me si na sa me de eno an se o me visa na ma me masa. Me nim mo hwe because obia me say me work. And everything about the almighty Twene Jonas is different. Tieri amecho ni o nti akwane nyame aye. Enti me kaza me ko Ghana na I don't need to know go for no visa bi anu asma soraba. Tieri amecho ni o because we are dealing with the almighty. Enti ahiafo na visa sem and a passport sem there be if I want to go I just go. Enti me bedu America mudi ona oni nkrata onye se me ne hwe masa obi antimi nya me hu tieri amecho because police one me nkura mu an guide me enti edi ade na akoka kire no akoka kire immigration officer e broni onu susuro me enti e kwan tieri amecho ni yo me ne hwe passport me ni bi amu obi mi we ska cha omu nyina me anam san hwe omu tieri amecho no nti I don't know why you want me to tell you say mani ba bebre akwan say okura passport. What do I need a passport for? All what I need is cash flow, and I got a cash flow every day. I make savings over $300,000. Sometimes I make $1 million. Sometimes I make $5 million. It depends on the day and how much income I make from my businesses. That's what I worry about. I don't care about so you passport to send me back nah. Cause at the end of the day, kota dia unfa passport never go this scan echo. Koto bibia unfa hwe na echo the sika na echo. And the money is more important to me than passport. Me kwa wari obi na fe na ade bechi na kwase bia kodi na kofa problem aba na fe yes yo ye ko jet divorce na fe ma bro san bi esi ba bi yes ye mfa nko court ne nko cha bro san num and ye company we betua sika ma we na I'm good regardless I'm bi intimene but nobody can be like the almighty Twene Jonas, whether you like it or not. You can come and train for 3 days, 4 days, you're going to disappear. And I mean, the goal is not say, maybe benya passport. The goal is to come and become rich. Do you understand what I'm saying? And for me to be able to invest maybe $20,000 or $50,000 in Ghana every month, that's my goal. Or for me to be able to invest about $500,000 in the United States, that's my goal. And men na me post to me car no me Mercedes Maybach no the ono kura passport no obetimi atena brochie 30 years 50 years ontimi to be that. I'm telling the truth. Ontimi to be that. And whether you got a passport, whether you got whatever country passport you got, you can never be like the Almighty. Do you understand what I'm saying? Maybe here passport to be Yahoo, to get recognition wherever I go. They know who I am. And Timothy, and Timenya Fain, I make a passport to home. I worry about getting my money right. Do you understand? Because America has a more I'm sure you know, be I own be a citizen. If I'm a foreigner and I'm feeding them, what makes you think I passport to here? I make sure you they work for me and I pay them abrofuni, they all work for the Almighty. Including I landing for ya citizens of landing Omugukrumani ready for Germany for me citizen of Germany America. They all work for the Almighty Twene Jonas. So citizen of the national to the nation. Not if I'm the one feeding them. What makes you think say maybe you're national what am I getting from that? And I may major passport say I buy be measure me back because me with that. And now say I buy be method the animal me because me sick akura me timini. And now I buy be be mommy. I don't need no help from nobody. And Timo Majimina way na dasima sina de ba brochi dasima si obrentina de ba Mr. Broni na de me ba nya zanka zamri ya dameka. Broni na de me ba free nti akwa no Jimmy a o Jimmy nyina se Broni and I am money free Ghana ni anka di so $30,000 sa me boa obi a me bo me dua nkume se wo kofa Ghana ni se wo ne nkrata onye nkrata ma wa oba se no beje wo eno oji usika na one ne tie no wo se egba akohoma da bia onye se scan mi no de beto aduane ade o yale. Apart from that no se ohun se oni oba gina ho a ofre police ama oni abefo yi no magu abonten wadi ase amane abefam no Broni ena ya ama wa free ono oni no nipa ho adwemone ono ayese nyankopon oni bone nya hwe ohun se oni oba gina ho a emfa ne ho ni refi kura se oye nkrata ama Obeba notifiesu. Why would you do that? Why would you cheat? Bibini oyi no mani nyina afre police mmefa no ko abuaba. Mensanya nkrata amaw. Menya nkrata amaw. Na nkrata nka memfa nko ware me ofaba. Me de ware wo Kwasiapayin. Obeche se obe expose sa me say me ba krom ha me de be twese man ka me nsem nyina da abonten. Nobody knows me. Coming ko robi abapieto da. I came to make money and I have determination and I got charisma and I gotta make my money right. That's more important to me. That is it. And to say be a popular, be trending right now, no, it's temporary trend. Nobody can be like the Almighty, and nobody is better at this than me. Kofra mama says, "I'll come and watch him." Kofra nana says, "I'll come and watch him." Kofra na so ye cyber we wine sa kwadi bisano ne mama come and watch him. We na so ye wine we asante hin ko bisano na busuamfo na busuapanyin come and watch him. We na so ye Akufo-Addo ko bisa Akufo-Addo yire oto odi me ho komo says, "The Almighty, wherever you go, they talk about me." Ghana market, Africa market, in every nation in the whole world where Ghanaians are there, they are talking about the Almighty. Who is powerful than Twene Jonas? Nobody has ever lived who is super powerful like the Almighty Twene Jonas. I am the only one. I'm a silence your court for Omudia Santin Hinechi. Free Mason for my brew massy, Omuna, my brew massy. To me be anyone such as the Almighty. To me be a baby and no a brain wassy. Yeah, besides Santereje for I'm still here and I'm making my money right and I'm growing fresh. I'm becoming fresh and fresh and fresh forever.
You're waiting for waiting and some of it is what it is. It means to a depot. I had some one a kafan who I would say a party or no target for passport. Oh my any year the passport near a home for sourcing a PAD and then Twene Jonas says I'm opposite a liberal also no a limre obia. Now what the ensemble go now and after because decision and our no so we can subscribe ya let's just say over subscribe no I like it now watch the video ama offer so any now watch it also waiting actually working after here so we now I will comment box over in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.